Now, people see the medal, the record, and the final results, but they don't always see the technology working behind the scenes to make that moment official. In this week's edition of the Business Review, we feature Digiview Security Limited, a company providing digital security solutions across Jamaica. Daydree Thomas has details.
On this track, victory can be decided in the blink of an eye. And when hundreds of a second separate first from second, precision isn't a luxury, it's a necessity. Was it a false start, a photo finish, or a record-breaking performance? Long after the athletes have crossed the line, the answers often lie in the replay. That's where Digiview Security steps in. For Operations Director Mark Miller, the company's journey started with a frustrating experience at a prep school championship.
Seeing my prep school being disqualified for a lane violation, capturing it on my little iPad or tablet, carrying it to the video referee and showing the video referee that we were in there, and how passionate other parents are in making sure that their students or their children or ward is also is kept into an event so that they can really come to their full goals. It's very important.
Using advanced surveillance and video technology, the company helps officials review the action frame by frame and make accurate calls. And while the journey started with his iPhone, Mr. Miller says the technology has evolved.
For every curve on the track, for every changeover zone, we have 3 cameras for every corner on the track, which looks on the clients coming in, the athletes coming in, and look on the athletes exiting that curve. So we have basically 360 degrees coverage. So we have fully battery operated system, so we're not reliant on the grid.
The company now serves businesses and organizations across Jamaica with a team of 4 backed by a multi-million-dollar investment in technology. That same technology has also been trusted for major productions including Freedom Street and Reggae Sumfest.
We carry a wide range of stock. And then we provide solutions for customers, and we build it according to their needs. So it's not just buying something out of a box. Go to our website, digiviewsecurity.com. Our contact info is there. They can WhatsApp us. We will do a site visit, an assessment, and then speak to them about what their needs are and what we offer, and then quote based on that.
But expansion has come with challenges.
Number one challenge in a stadium is connectivity, starting with 2 gigahertz frequencies. The bombardment of frequency interference within the stadium, going to fiber optic, laying fiber optic cable, getting power, getting people to buy into static cameras, doing the recording and feeling comfortable using the system.
The company says its focus remains on pushing the boundaries of what technology can do.
For the video surveillance, primarily, we would invest now in stepping up the camera quality, going to higher frame rate so that the slow motion will be more seamless.
For the Business Review, I'm Daydree Thomas.